2012 Kia Sportage rear shock replacement. Let's get to it. Lifter up in the air. Be safe with your jacks and jack stands, guys. You got a 21 millimeter lug nuts on this one. Zip them up. We got a 19 millimeter wrench on this side. Impact on this side, 19 deep well. We got it supported with our stand. Walk it out with your gun if you can. Right up here, zip. I like to bust these free by hand because after you snap one with an impact for the first time, you don't ever want to go through that again. These ones are 14s. Our old shock, we got to do a mount and boot exchange on it. Might need a pry bar to pull it out of here, or maybe yours will just come right out. There we go. 17 millimeter on here, zipper off. See, it's pretty crusty. Just grabbed some vice grips and started spinning the shaft, and it broke free. Comes right off. It was just kind of rust welded together right here. Slip this guy on top of our new shock and tighten the nut up. Get your bolts started. You got a Ford, definitely go with the mounts, especially if they're the aluminum style mounts. They love to break over time. We're a little bit off, so we'll just lift up. Tighten that. We'll hand torque our bolts up there. Put the wheel back on, torque the lugs to spec. Do the other side, let her down, and ship it.